The Forest School is a K through 12 independent school that's intentionally diverse in South Atlanta in an incredible neighborhood called Pinewood Forest. And our mission is that each person who enters our doors will find a calling that will change the world.
The Forest School, I say it teaches you how to be independent. So when you're older, you don't have to be able to count on someone to do everything. You already are like ready and you can push yourself on your own. Because in college, there's not someone just standing over you telling you what to do.
Every single time I tell someone or tell an adult where I go to school and what I do there, they're like, wow, it sounds like college, or wow, it sounds like work.
She seems to enjoy learning. I don't know, she gets excited about different things that they have to do, different things that she's never experienced, like the apprenticeships, working on her own and being able to control her own learning.
I think the vision to bring together a group of people that we're going to learn to love each other well and learn from each other's stories was one of the things that hooked me at first.
I can really see a difference in my daughter. She loved attending school. She's making friends and she's having a good time.
Changing the world is key to our mission because we actually have a belief about young people that each person, each child is a genius and has the ability to change the world. And so we enter into our work with that sort of underlying belief.
The beautiful thing is just helping, my heart is to help my kids figure out who they're supposed to be and what their contribution to the world is. And so I feel like this gives them the tools to navigate that and not just be told by someone else and put on a path by someone else to become what the world needs.